mean, I've always liked water, just being near it. It's too expensive for me to live close to it now, but if I could, I would live close to it. My name is Royce Francis. I am an assistant professor in Department of Engineering Management and Systems Engineering here at GW. And my research focuses on the intersection of environmental engineering and public policy. Drinking water affects everyone. And it's one of those things that we can't get away from. Like water is the substance of life, okay? And so it's very important to me. One of the long-term concerns that I have is really that there are many people who don't necessarily have access to safe drinking water. One of the ways that we've tried to solve that problem is by making sure they can have what we call point of use treatments. At the place where you're going to use the water, you treat it right there before you use it. These things help us in places where it's not cost effective to build a large plant, in the middle of the city, for example, build the pipes underground that are needed to distribute that to many different places in the city, and then make sure that every location is connected to this system. It's very expensive, and many places don't have the resources to build out this type of thing. All of us can help by finding an NGO or finding organizations that are helping to distribute point of use solutions, or they're helping to work with communities to design community water systems. Because what that allows us to do is it allows us to really invest in our economies in other meaningful ways. To me, I feel very strongly that if we're able to expand the reach of infrastructure, water infrastructure, then we could definitely have these contributions from the rest of our global community.